How to close your Barclays account using the app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode to access your account. Once you are logged in, tap the Help option at the bottom right corner of the home screen. You may also see the Contact Us option on the main screen. Under Contact Us, you will find options such as Chat and Direct Call. You can request to close your account directly through the app, or you can start a chat or make a call with the Barclays representative who will guide you through the entire process. Before proceeding, make sure you have cleared any outstanding balances or pending transactions associated with your account. Follow the instructions provided by Barclays support carefully to complete your account closure request. Once the process is completed, you will receive a confirmation that your account has been successfully closed. Now you know how to close your Barclays account using the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.